Welcome back folks. Doing a little work down here in the train room on my tunnel porch here and my tunnel walls inside. Got nothing glued down or nothing, but I want to come in to give you a quick update of what I'm doing. You might be doing yours now and this might help you out, but I got my tunnel port here on here. It's not glued. I'm having to hold it up because I won't paint it before we glue it, but it'll kind of give you the sense of what it looks like in there. Yeah, I ain't painted right there in the corners or styrofoam, nothing down there yet. That's coming up. It's coming up. And what I did was I come back right here, I traced out the tunnel port, and I got that styrofoam right here almost the same height as this styrofoam right in here. Okay, so then I laid my tunnel ports on top of it, and then I pushed them up against the back side of the styrofoam here. Took my Sharpie and traced around it. Then I took my styrofoam wand and I melted it out and cut it out, and then I slid this into where it's almost flush. I didn't want it all the way flush because I might need to do a little tweaking back and forth. But like I said, nothing's glued because we can take this apart and show you what's going on. Got to remember now, this is a turn. This one's a turn. But now them two over there, they're going to be real easy because they're straights. But the two turns, I'm glad I'm kind of doing them first because we're going to learn a lot by doing these first. If you was to put these tunnel walls straight with each other in a turn, that's what happens, folks. Well, that won't work. So what I've done, I've took this side here is still pretty much out of the mold. Got a little file marks on it. But as I started to right in here, I took and started cutting at an angle. I've got some tile nippers, and I actually cut a 1/2 inch off back in here. On this side right in here, I took a 1/2 inch off all the way up to here, so I went from a 1/2 probably to a 1/4 to right there. Then the time I got here it was to nothing. Then all this stayed pretty much the same. And then I done the same thing on this piece, except on, excuse me, my finger hit the zoom button. I done it on this side of this one, same thing, about a 1/2 inch to here. And I will show you in the next video, hopefully, how that's going to work out. So if we put this back, and get it lined up, got to make sure we're up on the, just like that. Not perfect, hard to do with one hand, but anyway, there you go. So now if we take our, you see there, this is the longest one we got, passenger car, and it's got a good 1/4 inch clearance in there, so I might need to do a little adjustment here. Let me see if I can't just do a little fudging. Push that one, push that, push that, butt it back up. Now let's bring this up.
A few months ago, I actually measured the lengths of the Amtrak and the Pennsylvania passenger cars, and they're the exact same length.
Good. That's good. So yeah, that's about 3/8 of the gap right there. That'll be plenty of clearance. We'll come over here and look inside. Oh, everything looks good through there. So if that's being the longest cars we got, we should have no issues at all with that hitting the walls. Okay, well, just want to bring you a quick update video, and let me get all this painted up and glued up, and I'll come back hopefully next week with another video, and we're going to start on that one. and I'll walk you through it one step at a time till we get to words like this. Well, until then, keep model railroading. Bye bye.